Today I'm going to take you on a journey with me. A journey of human perseverance and achievement. An uphill journey. A journey towards freedom. A journey to the top of one of the highest mountains in the Swabian Alps. And to its most visited location, the Volkmarsberg Tower, built in the 1930s. The current tower was preceded by a wooden tower built in 1890s, which had to be pulled down due to wear and tear. The mountain top also has an alpine hut, a ski lodge with a practice slope and a ski lift, as Volkmarsberg is a popular ski resort located near the town of Oberkochen. Oberkochen is famous for being the world headquarters of Zeiss, the famous company that produces lenses, which can be seen from here. The tower is 23 meters tall, and on a clear sunny day one can even see the tallest mountain peak of Germany, the Zugspitze.